Welcome to International Yoga Day, a global celebration of the ancient practice that harmonizes the mind, body, and soul. International Yoga Day is celebrated annually on June 21st. It was first proposed by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is more than just physical exercise. It's a journey towards mental clarity and inner peace. It encompasses breathing exercises, meditation, and postures designed to promote overall well-being. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene beaches of Bali, people from all walks of life come together on this day to practice yoga in unison. Public parks, community centers, and even virtual spaces are transformed into hubs of tranquility and mindfulness. Yoga has numerous benefits, including improving flexibility, enhancing mental focus, reducing stress, and promoting a healthy lifestyle. Scientific studies have shown that regular yoga practice can lead to better heart health, improved respiration, and a stronger immune system. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a beginner, International Yoga Day is the perfect opportunity to start or deepen your yoga practice. Join a local class, follow along with online sessions, or simply practice in the comfort of your home. Embrace the spirit of International Yoga Day and take a step towards a healthier, more balanced life. Namaste. Subscribe for more such content